Mixing EDM drums is a unique process that requires a deep understanding of the genre's characteristics and a creative touch. Here are the top 5 tips for mixing EDM drums. Emphasize the kick and bass. The most vital sonic parts in electronic songs are often the drums and bass. The kick drum, in particular, is one of the most driving forces in an EDM track. Make sure your kick cuts through the mix and works well with your bass. Use sidechain compression. Oftentimes, the bass track will be sidechained to the kick drum and/or snare in EDM music. Sidechain compression ducks or compresses a sound in relation to another. So, whenever the kick is present, the bass is kicked down to help make space for the kick. Layer your drums. Layering is a common technique in EDM production. It involves stacking multiple samples together to create a fuller, more unique sound. For example, you might layer a synthetic kick drum with an acoustic kick sample to get the best of both worlds. Use high-quality samples. The quality of your drum samples can make or break your mix. Always use the highest quality samples you can find, and don't be afraid to invest in premium sample packs. Remember, a great mix starts with great source material. Experiment with effects. Don't be afraid to get creative with effects when mixing EDM drums. Reverb can add a sense of space, delay can create interesting rhythmic effects, and distortion can add grit and character. Just remember to use effects sparingly. The goal is to enhance the drums, not overpower them. Every drum mix is unique, and these tips are just starting points. The most important thing is to trust your ears and have fun. Happy mixing! Please leave a comment with your own tips and what you would like us to cover next. Also tickle that like button and hit the bell and subscribe notification for more no-nonsense tips.